We're watching how to install aluminum trim flashing. We're watching a quick video on how to put in aluminum flashing over here. With vinyl plank flooring, wood, this is the basement stairs, and what to do with this situation right here. Real quick, got this piece of aluminum custom. Just go up to the customer service counter at Menards or one of the big box stores and show them what you're looking for right here. And this is gonna tuck underneath, which I'll show you guys how it tucks under. I did notch out, sorry, right here. I did notch out this piece. Used a, I think it's called an oscillator. I don't know what stuff's called, but I know how to do stuff. Notched that out right there. Put this tool over here, held it real steady against the wall, and I sliced in the depth of this piece right here. That's gonna slide in like that. Let me see. No, that's not how it goes. It goes underneath. Hold on one second. I got one hand on the phone and one hand trying to show you guys. So you see how that's gonna go? It's gonna look real nice on there. But I'm gonna slide it on, notch the other piece out, and put it in. Here's the manufacturer's code, the aluminum trim, just in case you guys could try to find that.